Okay, anyway, let's go. All right, so today, right, our main objective is talking about something called algebraic expression and about solving equation. All right, so those of you who attended the Head Start into P6, right, we actually covered a part of the algebra already. All right, so today I'll be covering a little bit faster. I'll be focusing mainly on the solving portion. Can? All right, the here and there actually. All right, for those who can catch up, good for you. My school teacher is not doing algebra. It's okay. It's in your textbook, means that your teacher will cover eventually. All right, your teacher might cover in the second term or in the third term. All right, but I'm just following according to the textbook. Let's finish algebra off because algebra is about 5% in your entire PSLE only. All right, let's finish that off and let's go into the next topic, which is fraction. 5%, yes, Lilian. All right, so it's about, maximum about 4 marks only. But 4 marks is important, children. 4 marks is important. Imagine 96 marks you have plus 4 marks. Woohoo! 100 marks. That's AL1. My goodness. All right, it's AL Super 1. My goodness. All right, so let's just go ahead and finish algebra first. Then after the next lesson will be on fractions. All right, which is the more important thing. Can? All right, let's go. Oh, yeah. But before going into that, right, let's do a little bit about the revision on P5 first. All right, a quick revision on P5, come. So P5, you learn something called what? You learn something called order of operation. Order of operations. All right, so what's the order of operation? You must understand that this word operation means like what? The surgeon open up my chest, they take a knife and cut my chest. Then after that, they can see my rib cage. Then after that, they open up my rib cage. They can see my heart. Not those operation, children. Relax. All right. Oh my goodness. All of you want to be doctors, is it? All right. So in terms of order of operation, we always do number one. Who? The brackets first. Remember? Primary 5. This is a revision. We always do the brackets first. Number 2, we do times, divide. Number 3, we do plus, minus. All right, and there's a hidden rule. There's a hidden rule between the times, divide, and the plus, minus. All right, must remember to do from left to right. Do you remember this? All right, this is covered in your primary 5. All right, and primary 5 work will still be tested, obviously, children. Obviously. All right, so P5, we learn something called order of operations. We do the bracket first, followed by the times or divide. Oh, yes, Brian used this very big word, Bodmer's rule. Correct. All right, very good. My goodness, you got such big terms. All right, and also the times and divide, the plus and minus, always do from left to right. Yeah, first come, first serve. Rest the bell. Yes, you make it so easy. My goodness, you guys are amazing. All right, thank you for writing into the chat. Okay. Okay, Emma, I saw your answers also. Times and divide first. Okay, not times and divide next. Okay, come. So number A, number A. Let's take a look. Hello. Is that Sydney? Sydney, is that you? All right. So Sydney, if that's you, can you please change your name to Sydney and also please turn on your video. Thank you so much. All right. I hope I pronounced your name correctly, Sydney, right? Chong Sydney. Okay. Anyway, so looking at question A, which most of you actually got it right. Wow. All right, who must you do first? You have division and addition. Who is bigger? Number 2. Number 2 means what? Times and divide is bigger than plus and minus, right? So you're supposed to do here first. All right, 20 divided by 5 is a 4. 8 plus 4 is a 12. Good job. Part B. You have a minus and a divide. Who is bigger? Divide is bigger. 36 divided by 4 is a 9. 98 minus 9 will give you a 80. 89. Okay, so it's a refresher, children. It's a refresher. It's not a very big and it's not a big thing that you don't know or what. All right, all these you're supposed to know. Okay, next part C. Oh, sure, got bracket. Okay, children, relax. Got bracket, good. All right, so 51 plus 19. 51 plus 19 is like 70. Is that true? All right. After you do the bracket, 70 divided by 2 is 35. Easy, Cha. Easy, right? Then how come those people never do worksheet, huh? This is in your worksheet, what? Easy, then never do my worksheet. Sorry. Okay, it's okay. First lesson only. First lesson. Chill, man. Okay, next, got two bracket. 40 plus 7, 47. 9 minus 8 is a 1. Then you do the last step. 47 divided by 1 is 47. All right. So these 4 questions, right, those who participated in the worksheet, you got them all correct. People like Brian, Emma, Gordon, Janelle, Kashinta, Lillian, Rachel, and Xuan. Good job. Amazing. All right. Okay, so this is the first question, order of operation. The next portion, right, is not in your worksheet. It's something extra. All right, which I want to touch on a little bit. All right, so I'm not going to algebra yet. Relax. This one is a bit of the P5 work. All right, look at this. Can anyone give me the answer almost immediately? Go to the chat and tell me the answer. Lillian, please try again. Correct. Immediately, quick. Xuan, try again. Whoa, Rachel! Go, girl! My goodness, she got it. Gordon! Woo! Janelle! Oh! Well, these people cannot mess with them. They are fast and they are good. Woo! All right, so I got about 3 answers already. 3 correct answers. That's a good job, huh? All right. Whoa, Lillian, no. Razabel, no. Giselle, good job. Wow. All right, hey, Giselle, how come got 2 answers, one?
I pressed the wrong thing.
Yes, Victoria. Woo! All right. Hey, how come like all the girls got it, huh? Hey, this class only got how many boys? 1, 2. Oh, no wonder. I feel so outnumbered. My goodness. Hey, Brian and Gordon, we must stand together. All right. We cannot. Yeah, okay, anyway. Tanishka, yes. All right, Victoria, thank you so much. Okay, so children, I don't know whether you know this method or not, but you need to know this method. Okay? So this is what I call what? This is what I call monkeys. All right, I don't know if you got watched my videos or not. I call this like monkeys.
Yeah,
okay,
you always call it monkey.
Okay, come, Lillian, listen to me. There's an easy way to do it. Come, Lillian, come. Okay, look, So, when I see something like that, look, what is the repeating things? What is the repeating things? Look, this one is like times 80, right? Can you see times 80 is repeating? Times 80 is repeating. Times 80 is repeating. All right, so I will always ask my student, hey, what's your favorite animal? All right, then obviously everybody will have different animals. So I will choose my favorite animals. My favorite animal is monkey. That's why I call this monkey. Look. So times 80, right? You call it monkey. Can? Times 80, you call it monkey. Just listen. Don't write anything first. Just listen. And when you see this times 80, right, it means monkey. Do you know something? Do you know that 80 times 7 is the same as 7 times 80? Do you know that? It's the same thing, right? So this times 80 is monkeys. Are you ready, children? All right. And down here, there's this equal sign, which is very important. Equal means what? Equal means balance. Which means what? The left and the right must balance. All right. The left and the right must balance. Understand or not? That's the meaning of equal. Are you ready? Okay, come. Who is on the left? All right. This portion here is on the left. May I ask you, how many monkeys do I have on the left? This is important, this type of question. How many monkeys do I have? I have 7 monkeys here. I have 3 monkeys here. So in total, I got what? I got 10 monkeys. Is it okay? All right, I got 7 monkeys plus 3 monkeys. Total, I got 10 monkeys on the left. Is that okay? So if the left got 10 monkeys, on the right also must have what? 10 monkeys, right? Correct or not? You have to be fair. All right, on the left got 10 monkeys. On the right also must have 10 monkeys, right? And what's the meaning of monkey? The monkey is the times 80, right? So what is missing down here? Answer is 10 lah. Huh? That's it, children. That's it. That's why sometimes, right, there's an easy way to do things. All right, if you are going through the difficulty, oh my goodness, 80 times 7. 560. 80 times 3. 240. Plus them together. 800. Then you take 800 is equal to what times 80? Answer is 10. You get the same answer, children. You get the same answer. But can you see how many steps you are taking or not? How many steps you are taking? It's very long. So there's an easier way. I call this monkey. Can you please try to use this method? Just take it as the thing that is repeating is your favorite animal. It can be a donkey. Okay, don't like monkey, let's do donkey. All right, so on the left, we have 7 donkey plus 3 donkey. That means we have a total of 10 donkey. And what's the meaning of equal? Equal means balance, right? So we must have 10 donkeys equal to 10 donkeys. Correct or not? All right, and this portion, which is the repeat, represents donkeys. So how many? We need 10 donkeys on the right-hand side also. So the answer is 10. Can you see that or not? Okay. There's a few more examples. Don't worry. All right. I want to ensure that you understand this by today because this is very powerful. All right. This method of monkeys, donkeys is very powerful. All right. Ready? Can I go into the next question, part B? Can I? Okay. It works for plus and minus also. Okay, come. Part B. Okay. What is the thing that's repeating? What is the thing that's repeating? Look. What is the thing? Can you see that times 9? 9 times? 9 times? Times 9? Times 9? Can you see not? So the times 9 portion is repeating. All right, so this portion I can write it as 3 times 9, right? Nothing wrong, right? Down here I can write as 2 times 9. Nothing wrong, right, children? 9 times 2 and 2 times 9 the same. Okay? Down here is your plus. Plus. Are you ready, children? Are you ready? Okay, so what's your favorite creature? What?
Dragon.
Unicorn? Dragon. Okay, this year is the year of the dragon. Okay, can.
No, because I'm the dragon.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this year you all are dragon. You all are dragon. Oh my goodness. Yeah, primary 6, 12 years old, you are a dragon. Yeah, okay. Okay, then let's not use dragon. Let's use unicorn. All right, so.
Unicorn poop.
Poop. Oh no.
Unicorn poop.
Unicorn poop again? Oh no. Okay, children. So what's the meaning of equal sign? Equal means to balance, right? Okay, come. Right, we must balance the left and the right. Are you ready? Okay. So on the left, how many unicorns? Lydian, you want to use ants? Okay. Use ants. Oh, Rosabelle. Yes, you got it right already. Rosabelle, you got it right already. Good job. Okay, come, let's use ants. So down here we got 17 ants. Thank you, Lillian. You know why not? Because it's easy to spell. Thank you so much. All right, we have 17 ants plus 3 ants plus 2 ants. So how many ants do we have? 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 2, we have 22 ants. Is that understood? So if the left-hand side got 22 ants, the right-hand side must also got 22 ants. Agreed? Because the equal sign means balance. Okay? So down here, we already got 9. We got 8 ants. We already got 8 ants. Right? So how many ants do we have down here? What's the answer down here? Go to the chat and fill for me. Remember, we need... Yeah, who is that who say out so loud? Go to the chat and write. Yes. Emma, your calculation a bit off. Lillian is correct. Yes. Sini, is it? Yeah, Sini is correct. Good job. Wow. That means she understand. All right. What? Emma, your calculation a bit off. Yes, Janelle. Good job. Yes, Brian. One second already. Don't write so many. You're spamming me. All right. But Brian, you're right also. All right. Hey, that means most of you understand already. Lillian, can I have yes, Lillian answer is correct also. My goodness. Just now, right? Just now, the first question, many of you don't know, but now, because of one example, because of monkey and donkey example, you all got it right. Good job. Answer is 14. Emma, be careful. 22 down here. 22 minus the 8 down here is a 14. Can? Emma, please be careful. Oh. Okay. Hey, so children can understand or not? So you don't go and purposely go and do the multiplication 17 times 9. Yeah, just so long. You don't go and